Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because we have another open with me, and I'd like to tell you what it is, but I don't know until I get in. I had a little peep and all I saw was sock, so it could be anything. So while I'm struggling, as I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell line. You never know, they might work. It says, looks like, let's get in, shall we? Wow. Okay. This is Simply Crochet. I didn't think it was coming out quite so quickly, but we've got a sock special and we've got a sock ruler thing. Funny how they all do the same thing, isn't it? Yeah, just recently had the same thing, but it was baby socks. This looks nice and kind of spring-like, doesn't it? So we got new season projects, fun accessories, hooked on spring, textured tank top lace scarf, pretty coasters, kids play set, mosaic wrap and more. We've got grommet, which is gorgeous, and a beautiful bunting, but that's just leaves. Hook of frog prints. We've got some earrings there, and we've got a smock and this jolly kind of scarf at the start. So let's get set up. There we go. Right, let's have a little looky then inside. I like the spinning wheel, I have to say. Just a simple granny blanket possibly in here. Here we are. This is the contents page. Sorry if you can hear my cat meowing. I think she wants to go out. Just bear with me a moment. That's it. Cat is out. So, okay, let's get back to the contents. We do have the granny square blanket, which is very simple and easy. We've got a hooded, a little Red Riding Hood kind of vibe going on there with a hooded poncho. The frog, we've got a lacy scarf. We've got another lacy kind of shawly scarf. We've got a very jazzy blanket and a wrap by the looks of it. We've got cushions, earrings, tool set for kids. There's the smocky tank toppy thing. We've got more bunting and coasters. So lots in this one then. Let's get started. So this is just an advert for yarn, so not a pattern. And okay, I'm going to move my tea out of the way. It's a little bit in the way. Here we go. This is the ideas, inspiration, accessories, website, events and stuff. And its theme here is out to sea. Rico Designs Rikarumi Spring Cowl. What have we got? Light my fire. What's this? Whenever you believe it's... Nope, too much to read. Can't. I think it's a candle anyway. This is about the Yeti yarn that I recently had a sample of and definitely think I will stock in the future. Go Grape, so we're looking at colours. That's very frilly, isn't it? Okay, what books have we got? Let's have a look. We've got Claire Montgomery, $12.99, The Beginner's Guide to Crochet. $14.99, Jane Crowfoot, The Complete Crochet Handbook. And we've got $14.99, they're getting a little, no, I suppose the same, aren't they? Kylie Maletta, A Year of Granny Squares. And is that one a month or one every week? Okay, Granny Square Fashion, Cassie Ward at $14.99. Lots of Granny Squares going on, isn't there? Everything is. So skills and events coming up. We've got Crochet Next Steps Workshop, £45. Learn for free on YouTube. On the 27th of February. It does help to have one-to-one, I suppose, for some people like that. 2nd of March, small purse with tapestry crochet, £49.60 in Bristol. 4th of March, crochet socks, coastal crochet, £75 in Sussex. Am I shocked? Yes. 16th of March, make an amigurumi Easter chick, £15 to £40. Well, I don't get that. £15 if you just make the beak. I don't know. Weird. Okay, so we're on lots of little editorial bits and adverts. Okay, download the Simply Crochet, but then you won't get the gifts. So this is Fairy Tales. Write down your own story with our collection of enchanting makes. You're sure to hook up to something magical. So we've got Sleeping Beauty. I think they're stretching a point, really. It's a granny blanket. And Snow White is got this white lacy kind of scarf come wrap, I don't know. Red Riding Hood. Well, I kind of guessed that one from that one. Oh, look, the beanstalk leaves. That's what that is. Woodland Wanderer. I quite like it, actually. It's not bad. The Princess and the Frog. Yep, so this is the how to do bits over the next few pages of that. So no grey days. Have we got some Jacob's Ladder going on this? Or is it... I don't know. I actually quite like doing the Jacob's Ladder, to be honest with you. Okay, so that's it. That's the back. What sizes do we got? Small to 3XL. And this is the man's best friend, so Gromit. I do love a Gromit. I love his little tail. Look at that. He's got such a cute little tail. I'm flying through this magazine. Let's slow down. Get a blanket bundle from Sir Dar when you subscribe today, worth £65.95. And that's how you do it if you want to. This is Irina's journal from the studio. Normally it's Kerry's, isn't it? And holiday, I suppose. Check me out. So we've got some checkerboard going on. This is Bye Bye Black and White, Kelly Wilson Moore check scarf in all spring shades. I like it, actually. I do, I have to say. Peace of Mind. So this is the earrings. I can't really wear that sort of thing. I don't know why. I kind of just very small studs or slightly dangly. But that's about as far as I can go. So the 5 questions with Sutton Foster. Funnily enough, I've just done a questions video that will pop up soon. Try 3 issues of Simply Sewing for $9.99. Yeah, you might get some patterns in it. If you want to, this is how you do it. So this is the Jack of all trades. So these are little tools, and I think they would really only be for a baby, because I can't imagine any young child wanting to play with them, although I might be wrong. These are Flights of Fantasy. Obviously it's not in here. It's a designer called Megan Lapp. And yeah, I like the fish. And the dragons, very good. All good, aren't they? Excellent, in fact. Banner year, you know, I'm not really into the buntings and banners, but I do a little bit of... I did one for the NHS, I think. During lockdown, I did a Rainbows and Clouds. And then somebody big did Rainbows and Clouds straight after. Obviously got loads more views than me. Deep Chills at Bay with Susan Kennedy's cosy crocheted wrap, ideal for magical evenings under the stars. I like it because it's not just one stitch. There's got a bit of something going on. Here we go. You can see the actual pattern. That's quite snazzy. I like that. And where are we? So you want to make a postbox topper. I try and resist the urge, but I do like seeing them all over town when you get the yarn bombing on the post boxes. I do think they're cool. I like them. We get them quite not far from here, where some of the ladies do it. This is called Clean Sweep. A crisp, repeating pattern appears as you hook this satisfying geometric throw by Hay Barker. Try the mosaic technique. Bit samey for me, but it's all right. It's all right. At least it's teaching a little bit of mosaic. So this is called Misty Memories. Eleanor Lepret celebrates her Ossetian roots. I don't know where that is. The Caucasus Mountains, apparently. But it's a headscarf, and that just makes me want to sing. But I won't put you through it. Spring Squish. This is a lovely kind of... I don't know what oh, I do apologise, but when I read the name, I kind of put them together and it looked like marijuana. Spring Squish. So go bold, bright and extra soft with Marianne Rawlins floral cushions. Sorry about that. Don't know where that came from. Feel the love. So these are the coasters with the lovey. And do you know what? I was going to do some of those on my channel. I never know. I might still do it. K is for kids. I was actually thinking of doing that. And they've kind of read my mind. So this is Yarn Smith's Play Baby DK. Do you know what? It looks like all the others, doesn't it? Everybody's got that kind of... I think Robin Paintbox started it and a few others, and now everybody's got the same yarn. Paintbox Baby DK, never been keen on Paintbox, got a bit of it, don't like using it. Sirdar Snuggly, like it, but it's $3.99 for 50 grams. I find it a little bit dear. Cutie Pie DK, what's that? King Cole, not had that one, not ordered from King Cole for quite some time. But it's not to say I won't. West Yorkshire Spinners Bo Peep here at the top. $4.20 for a 50 gram ball. Now I find sometimes, because it is woolly, it's very rough. Rico Designs Baby Merino, which obviously won't be, but that's only a 25 gram ball for £3.09. And do you know what? When I was young and I first started learning to crochet, because I learnt when I was 6, they came in 20 grams and 25 gram balls. They were forever changing balls. It was mad. But when you think about it now. So this is the show us your bit and write in and do your stuff. What are continuous rounds? Well, I wonder, but this will tell you. It's kind of basically a spiral, really, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Next issue, we've got a waistcoat. 6 science-inspired makes. Don't know what that means. Bold colourwork waistcoat, amigurumi rabbit, piano keys scarf, landscape motif blanket, baby dinosaur cardie, Easter egg cozies. I do have some of those on my channel, and I'll put a link at the end. Filet shawl, Easter bunny tic-tac-toe game, mosaic cushion and more, just for you. Terrific bird patterns. That reminds me of a dodo there. Okay, then we've got the essentials showing how Granny had to suck eggs, basically, and all the how-to-doies. Missed an issue bit, hook sizes and conversions and stuff. Then we've got these charts, and you know how much I love a chart, but that one's over 2 pages and very confusing. So, Rickaroomi does snacks too, but I don't think I really like the idea of crocheting food. I don't know why. Now, denim yarn has been around for a very long time, and just as Sirdar discontinue their Stonewash Aran, King Cole bring one out. But there's his DK, and there's the colours. You never know. One of these days, when I do another King Cole order, I might get something along those lines. So this is our supplement. We've got a sock thingy, ruler and stretcher. I don't know. Would you call it a stretcher? You put it in. So, yeah, you've got a gauge to show you the sizes, which I like because it's in English, Well, the times I go to a shoe shop and they say it's a 37 and I go, yeah, okay. Is that a 4 then? I'm basically in between a 4 and a 5, but, yeah. These, I think, child sizes, aren't they? I don't know. I don't think they are, actually. Obviously, it stretches. Anyway, this is your sock gadget. Will all be explained when you look in the sock special. 6 totally great designs. Cozy Toes crochet sock patterns for beginners. Textured stitch pattern, they're for beginners. You never know, I might try one. Toe up construction. Short row heel. Top down construction, good for beginners. Okay, let's have a little look-see. Okay. Wow. Yeah, they're quite snazzy, aren't they? I like them all, I have to say. I don't think I'd wear those, but I'd definitely wear the others. Might not wear them. Because when you walk on them, sometimes I feel every bump. I've got very sensitive feet. But it does have a plain bottom by the looks of it. No, that might just be the heel. I don't know. But I think I'd feel that pattern. And there we got, this is Technicolor toes. I like them. They don't look that hard, do they? Compared, bottom line. That's what they're called. Fringe benefits. I like the socks, not necessarily the fringe. Sweet honey, they're called. And these ones, candy floss. So what do you think of that? Sock secrets, little tips for hooking socks and stuff at the end. Charts and diagrams, there we go, bit of stuff. Well, that's the supplement. That's the magazine. And that's the freebie. So what do you think? Do you like this? I actually think this is a pretty good addition. I quite like it. Yeah, I do. I have to say, there's quite a few things in there that I like that I might not actually copy the pattern of, but it will give me inspiration to make stuff. Because as I was looking at it, I was thinking, oh, I might do that. But some of them I looked at and thought I was just going to do that. Thank you very much. So let me know in the comment section what you think of it. And the price then of this one, if I can find it, where are we? Should be there somewhere. If you're buying it in a shop, $9.99. Obviously subscription costs are less, but you do have to fork out for the subscription. So there you go. Quite expensive, aren't they? When you can buy a book for around, I mean, one of those books was $12.99, wasn't it? Sometimes you can pick up a book for $9.99, and if you go on eBay, Amazon, you can get them even cheaper. So it's a lot considering you can buy a book. That's all I think. Anyway, I like some of the patterns though. I think the colours and everything else are great and right on point because we're all starting to think of those warmer kind of patterns. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.